right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel, it's in really good condition. I don't see any curb rash. We do have a large chip here and some little cracks. Got a crack right there. And then you can see some cracks and little gashes here. There's a crack there. And you have one right here. Little chip there, little chip here. Got one right here. Looking at the side mirror, overall in good condition. You can see these little scratches every once in a while, and possibly those could be little spider cracks in that. Looking at the door, a couple small chips. You can see some gashes down here. Got a crack right there, and you can see the damage right there. Got a scratch here. You can see the bumper's kind of popping out. Got some cracks. Got a chunk right there missing. Crack there. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. You can see the cracks in there. Got a gash right there, little chip, small scratch. And then I can see a crack in the paint here with a small crease. Got some gashes right there. All right, looking at the front, starting with the headlights, you do have some delamination right here. Some cracks on the bumper. Looking across the hood. Overall, it looks pretty good. Got some holes here for a license plate. And you're just kind of peppered with rock chips throughout this area. See, this is kind of chewed up. You're gonna have some rash, little gashes, little cracks throughout. You can see the rash right there. You have a crack here, as well as some in this area. You can see some cracks all throughout this. Got a crack here. Got a larger one right there. You can see the alignment's off. Couple chips here and there. All right, checking out the driver's side. You can see some damage right there. You got some cracks going along the edge. See a graze mark. A couple chips right there. Otherwise though, that wheel's in great condition. You got a chip here, crack right there. And then you're gonna see little cracks throughout this lower rocker. Spider cracking here. Overall, that mirror looks good. A couple scuffs here and there on the door, and then you can see some of the damage down here. Little chips. Got the cracks right there. Couple scuffs on this wheel on the edge, but otherwise looks good. See some cracks in here, just along that lower section. You have some right there. All right, checking out the back, looking at the taillights. They are dirty inside the lens. Overall, the clarity on there is good. Third brake light looks good. You do have some clear coat failing around the edge, little spots here and there. Little scuffs. Couple scuffs. Got a gash right there. And then checking out the trunk. Got a sub here, an amp. Overall, that carpet's in good condition. Right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. That upper panel looks good. All of that's in great condition. Handle's a little loose. A couple little scuffs here and there. Otherwise, that's in great condition. A couple little scuffs here. Looking at the seat, that cushion is wore out. You do have a hole right here, and you do have a lot of wear here, and then you can see some cracking there, and then your typical little scuffs. Looking at the steering wheel, a little bit of wear on some of the edges, a couple small scuffs. Those buttons look good. This looks nice. Got those kind of tucked in there. A couple scuffs. You can see some cracks on that knob, as well as that one. You can see this is chipping. Little scuffs and scratches. A couple scuffs here. Right, checking out the passenger door panel. Upper section looks good. All of that's nice. Handle's a little loose. A couple small scuffs on the trim. Looking at the seat, you have some scratches on that lower section. Overall, that bolster looks good. Little scuffs and scratches and wear there. Upper section looks really nice though. Small scratch here. That upper section looks really good.